This tutorial is to support Washoe County School District students in enVision Mathematics grades 2 through 5 to access the enVision website. The first step is to start with a Google Chrome. Internet Explorer does not work well for this. The recommended browser is Chrome. Start with a search engine, type in WCSD. Select the Washoe County School District homepage. From there, select Students and Parents. Scroll down to the E and select enVision Mathematics. At this point, you will have two ways to sign in. You can sign in by using the highlighted directions here. Click on the Sign In button. Or you can sign in by entering the student's ID number, followed by an @ sign and washoeschools.org. This is different than the .net that Washoe County School District emails are. Then type in the student password. The student ID and password will be explained to you by your student's teacher. Once you are in, you will see the Pearson Realize on the right side. This is one way you can click to get into the program. However, if your student's teacher has already connected them to a program, you will see that program identified here. Now that we are in, I'd like to show you a few useful tools. The first tool is the Another Look video. This video is useful if you have missed class instruction and have missed a lesson that you need to make up, or if you need support in a mathematics content or lesson. Select Programs here or here. Select the topic. After you've selected the topic, select Lesson. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you will find this Another Look video. The next tool I'd like to show you is in Classes. Select Classes at the top. Once you are here, you will notice that this student has been assigned an assignment by their teacher. Any assignments that teachers assign will populate in this left-hand column. However, on the right-hand side are tools such as the textbook. We also have the Game Center and the math tools. First, let's take a look at the Game Center. When you enter the Game Center, you will see your grade level games populated in this top row. However, when you scroll farther down, you will find access to all the grade levels and the different games for each content area and grade level. This is a great way to engage in mathematics in a fun and engaging way and practice our tools digitally. When you are ready to exit this, go to the very top and hit the X. You will not X out of the whole program. It will take you back to this page. Let's explore the math tools. We highly encourage our students to spend time engaging in the math tools as they support using digital tools for mathematics, which will in turn support students in learning how to show their math thinking digitally, such as on the SBAC or MAP assessment. We encourage them to explore these and use them to solve math. When they engage in manipulatives and materials that they have available to them, it will increase their math success. Thank you. We hope this was helpful.